Hi everyone, Pong here from Robotics. We are on the last part of the routing rule series for today. As usual, if you are new here, please watch the previous videos to know about other routing rules. Link is in the description. For the last part, we will be going through transport solution rule and product type rule. They function similarly, but connections made are based on process flow for transport solution rule and product for product type rule. Alright, going into transport solution rule. We can see there is rule variable for us to configure. There are three options, which are next transport node, source node, and destination node. We will test each of them, but first, we need to make some changes to the simulation layout. Compared to old layout, some process nodes are added to demonstrate transport solution rule. Also, the feeder component is changed to a feeder process. This is required to form the process flow of the simulation. One thing to take note is that from conveyor nodes here are connected with their input and the divergent conveyor output. The nodes are not attached to the conveyor. We can prove it by moving the conveyor away. This is necessary for this rule to function correctly. Since the process nodes are connected in this way, the process statements of transport in and transport out will need to be changed to next process option. Next, the process flow of the simulation is also updated to 3 flow groups, which each group consists of one specific product type. After all of the setup, we can now configure the transport solution rule to allow products transfer to its corresponding direction, using the default next transport node rule variable first. Run the simulation and we'll see each product type is transferred to its assigned direction. Switching to destination node rule variable. The simulation will have the same results as the destination node for each product type. It still remain as the from conveyor process nodes we use here. For source node rule variable, we will need multiple feeders to fit in different products from different start points. Here is a quick simulation I made to demonstrate this rule variable. The products coming from different sources are transferred to different directions based on our routing rule connections. Moving on to the last routing rule, the product type rule. It is very easy to set up and can be used in many simulations which different product types are required to transfer to different process lines. This routing rule can be applied to product types that are in one flow group or multiple flow groups. Let us test it out now. Using back our layout here, we will just need to configure the routing rule connection, assign a direction for each product type, and start the simulation. You might notice that we can also select flow group as the option to configure the routing rule. Well, that's true. This helps us to assign a group of product types to a direction in that flow group. In our case, the simulation will work the same. With that, we have come to the end of today's video as well as the routing rule series. Hope you enjoy the videos and understand the usage of all routing rules. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Alright, stay tuned for other videos and don't forget to subscribe the channel to know more about visual components. Thank you for watching and have a great day.